Dogs are naturally inclined to protect their pack, which includes their human family. This protective instinct is deeply rooted in their history as pack animals, where the safety of the group was paramount. They possess heightened senses, especially hearing and smell, that allow them to detect unusual or suspicious activity long before we do. Their sense of smell is estimated to be between 10,000 to 100,000 times more acute than ours, and their hearing can detect frequencies far beyond human capabilities. This innate ability to sense changes in their environment makes them excellent watchdogs. They can pick up on the subtlest of changes, whether it's a faint sound in the distance or a new scent carried by the wind. Their bark, a powerful tool for communication, serves as an immediate alert system, signaling to both their family and potential intruders that they are aware of any disturbances. This bark can vary in tone and intensity, providing different levels of alerts depending on the perceived threat. This natural instinct to bark at unfamiliar sights and sounds is the foundation of their watchdog abilities. It's their way of saying, "Pay attention, something's not right." It's important to remember that most dogs will naturally bark to alert you of something unusual. This behavior is not just a nuisance, it's a crucial part of their role as protectors. This is their way of saying, "Hey, something's not right here." They are constantly on the lookout, ensuring that their territory and their loved ones are safe. This instinct doesn't require aggressive training. In fact, overtraining can sometimes suppress their natural alertness. It's about finding a balance where the dog feels confident and secure in its role. In fact, a dog that barks to alert you is often doing its job perfectly. They are fulfilling their role as a vigilant guardian, always ready to notify you of any potential threats. They're letting you know that something needs your attention. By understanding and appreciating this behavior, we can better support our canine companions in their role as loyal and effective watchdogs. A dog's bark is primarily a deterrent. It's their first line of defense, a natural alarm system that alerts both the household and the intruder. The loud, sudden sound is often enough to scare away potential intruders or unwanted animals. This immediate reaction can prevent a situation from escalating. It serves as a clear warning signal, announcing their presence and vigilance. The bark communicates to the intruder that they have been detected and that the property is guarded. This natural defense mechanism is usually all that's needed to keep your home safe. The sense of security a barking dog provides is invaluable to families. Most intruders will be deterred by the sound of a barking dog and choose an easier target. The bark acts as a powerful deterrent, making them think twice before proceeding. Think of your dog's bark as their way of saying, "This is my territory and I'm watching." It's a clear message that the dog is ready to defend its home. It's a powerful signal that can prevent problems before they start. By barking, dogs can stop potential threats in their tracks, ensuring safety. Remember, we want to encourage our dogs to bark when necessary, but we also want to teach them to stop barking when we give the command. This balance is crucial for effective communication. This control is essential for a well-behaved and balanced watchdog. A dog that knows when to bark and when to be silent is a true guardian of the home. Training a dog to be aggressive is not only unnecessary, but also dangerous and irresponsible. Dogs that are trained to attack are unpredictable and pose a serious threat to everyone around them, including their owners and innocent bystanders. Aggression training often involves using fear, pain, or intimidation to force a dog to react aggressively. This type of training can have severe consequences, leading to behavioral issues, anxiety, and even increased aggression. A dog that has been trained to bite is a liability. They may misinterpret situations, leading to bites or attacks that could have been avoided. Remember, a well-adjusted and obedient dog is a far better protector than one that has been trained to be aggressive. Socialization is crucial for all dogs, especially those intended to be watchdogs. It lays the foundation for a well-adjusted and balanced pet. Exposing your German Shepherd puppy to a variety of people, places, sounds, and experiences from a young age helps them develop into well-rounded, confident adults. This exposure should be positive and consistent to ensure the best results. Socialization teaches your dog to be comfortable in different environments and around different people, reducing fear and anxiety. It helps them understand that new experiences are not something to be afraid of. A well-socialized dog is less likely to react defensively or aggressively in unfamiliar situations. They learn to handle stress and adapt to new circumstances with ease. Early and positive exposure to different sights, sounds, and experiences helps your puppy develop a healthy understanding of the world around them. This understanding is crucial for their mental and emotional development. This prevents them from developing fears or phobias later on. A confident dog is a happy dog, and socialization plays a key role in building that confidence. Remember, socialization is an ongoing process. It doesn't stop once your puppy reaches adulthood. Continue to expose your German Shepherd to new experiences throughout their life to maintain their confidence and stability. Regular social activities and new experiences keep their minds sharp and their spirits high. Obedience training is the cornerstone of a well-behaved dog, especially a watchdog. Teaching your German Shepherd basic commands like sit, stay, come, and quiet establishes a foundation of trust and control. These commands are essential for managing your dog's behavior and ensuring they respond to your cues reliably. A dog that obeys your commands is a dog you can trust, even in challenging situations. Obedience training also strengthens the bond between you and your dog. Working together on training exercises builds mutual understanding and respect, which are crucial for a strong and healthy relationship. Remember, consistency is key in obedience training. Practice these commands regularly to reinforce your dog's understanding and maintain their responsiveness. You can encourage your German Shepherd's natural watchdog instincts without resorting to aggression training. The goal is to teach them to alert you to unusual activity, not to attack. Start by teaching your dog the speak command, rewarding them for barking on cue. Once they've mastered this, introduce the quiet command, rewarding them for stopping their bark on command. Practice these commands in various situations, gradually increasing the distractions. This will help your dog learn to discriminate between appropriate and inappropriate barking. Remember, the key is to channel their natural alertness into controlled responses. You want your dog to bark to alert you, but also to stop barking when you tell them to. Positive reinforcement is the most effective way to train any dog, especially when encouraging watchdog behavior. Rewarding your German Shepherd for desired actions, such as barking at the doorbell or alerting you to a stranger at the door, reinforces these behaviors. Use high-value treats, praise, or a favorite toy to reward your dog immediately after they exhibit the desired behavior. This immediate positive association helps them understand what you're asking of them. Avoid punishing your dog for barking, as this can create confusion and anxiety. Instead, focus on rewarding the behaviors you want to see more of. Remember, consistency is key in positive reinforcement. Always reward your dog for desired behaviors, even if they seem small. Trying to make a fearful or anxious dog aggressive is counterproductive and extremely dangerous. Dogs that are afraid are more likely to bite out of fear, not protection. Forcing a fearful dog into situations that scare them will only intensify their anxiety and potentially lead to aggression. This can result in unpredictable and dangerous behavior. Instead of trying to make a fearful dog aggressive, focus on building their confidence and trust. Socialization, positive reinforcement, and patience are crucial for helping fearful dogs overcome their anxieties. Remember, a confident dog is a safe dog. Addressing any underlying fear or anxiety is essential for preventing aggression and ensuring your dog's overall well-being. You can encourage your German Shepherd's natural alertness at home without creating anxiety. Provide them with a designated spot near a window or door where they can observe their surroundings. Engage their senses by playing sounds of doorbells, knocking, or people talking outside. Reward them with praise or a treat when they react alertly to these sounds. Avoid constantly praising them for barking at every little noise, as this can lead to excessive barking. The goal is to encourage alertness, not to create a hypersensitive watchdog. Remember, your German Shepherd's natural instincts are usually enough to alert you to anything unusual. Your job is to channel those instincts responsibly and prevent them from escalating into unnecessary barking or aggression. Establishing clear boundaries and teaching your German Shepherd to control their barking is crucial for a well-behaved watchdog. Designate specific areas where barking is allowed, such as near the front door. When your dog barks excessively, calmly interrupt the behavior with a command like quiet or enough. Once they stop barking, reward them with praise or a treat. Consistency is key in bark control. Every member of your household should enforce the same rules and commands to avoid confusion and reinforce desired behavior. Remember, the goal is to have a dog that barks to alert you, but also respects your commands to stop when asked. This balance ensures your German Shepherd is a valuable asset to your home security without being a nuisance.